So we have to find out the square root of this with positive real part. So if I have to write down the square root of a plus ib, so we already derived the result. The formula is plus or minus root of a square plus b square plus a by 2 plus I times root of a square plus b square minus a by 2. This is the formula to find square root. If there is a plus, you will write plus here. If there is a minus here, you will write minus here. So if you want to include that, you can include here only, plus or minus. Now, the given sum can be written as root of minus 3 minus 4i plus root of 3 plus 4i. Suppose you take minus common here, then this is root of minus 1 into 3 plus 4i. And since square root of minus 1 is I, you can write I times root of 3 plus 4i here. The second term will write same. So that is plus root of 3 plus 4i. Take this common, then you'll get I plus 1 into root of 3 plus 4i. So now using the formula for square root of complex number, you can actually write this as plus or minus root of a square plus b square. So here a is 3, b is 4. So a square plus b square in this case is nothing but 25. So root of a square plus b square is root 25 plus a by 2 and plus root of a square plus b square minus a by 2. So let us write that. Then this will be 1 plus I into plus or minus of 5 plus 3, 8, 8 by 2, 4. So root is 2. And here 5 minus 3, 2, 2 by 2 is 1. So root 1 is 1. So there will be an I term also before this, plus or minus 1i. Because in the formula, there will be an I term here. So you have to write I also. And write plus or minus outside, multiply 1 plus I with the 2 plus I. So that plus or minus is not required here because you already wrote outside. So 1 plus I into 2 plus I. If you multiply this, you'll be getting plus or minus of 2 plus I plus 2i plus I square. And writing I square as minus 1, this will become plus or minus 1 plus 3i. And they have asked us to find out, take the value of square root with the positive real part. So out of these answers, so there are two answers here, 1 plus 3i and minus 1 minus 3i. So if you want positive real part, the answer is 1 plus 3i. So we can mark C option because you wanted the real part to be positive. Minus 1 minus 3i is not in the option, and anyway that doesn't have positive real part, so we'll have to mark C as the answer.